Hello and welcome to Sunday Sync number 10. It's been a while and it's Thursday, which is quite out of sync. You might have seen my update on Instagram, but I had a bike accident and injured my hand. This was just before I got to molding the first version 3 head tube. Thankfully, I'm mostly healed and I was able to do the molding this weekend. So here we have the result. As I mentioned on Instagram, I didn't prepare enough carbon to fill the mold. The volume has to be pretty exact. I seem to be still working on a good estimations for this process. This is way more complex than version 2 head tube, which I have a copy of here. So given the ambitious nature of this, this is actually a really good result for the first attempt of a new part. Aside from the obvious size difference, there are some changes on the internal structure, and perhaps the most prominent, the humongous down tube. It's going to take me a while to get back into this. I have a holiday coming up and my schedule at work is pretty busy right now, but we're off to a really good start with this piece. On a less cheerful note, Vella Berlin has been cancelled again this year. It was already rescheduled once for early October, and I was planning to exhibit a couple of bikes there. Regardless, I'm still aiming to have this bike ready soon, and anyone who wants to come and check it out in Berlin in person is welcome to do so. The next update will probably be delayed as I am away, but I'm very excited to get back into this. Well, until then, have an awesome summertime everyone. Thanks for watching and see you next time.